Today I'm going to be going over a couple projects that could 10x in the near future. Let's dive right in. The first project I want to be talking about is We Are Misfits. This is a project made by Conium Pass and they are currently sitting at a 1.25 ETH floor. There's not that much info on this project. As you see here, they've only made 2 tweets. It has a lot of engagement. Keep this on your radar, follow them, have notifications on, and just wait for what they post. The second project I want to be going over is Lost in Jukiverse. This is going to be a 3,456 collection, and looking at his Genesis collection, you can see that it is sitting at a 0.74 floor price. I'm pretty sure this will get you whitelist for his next collection that's going to be dropping. I'm not certain, don't quote me on it, but looking at his socials, he has a lot of followers. On Twitter he has 163,000, and on Instagram he's verified as well. He has 800,000. He also has his own TV show on Disney Plus for cater to the Indonesian audience, but he has that following. He 100% has a track record. He has a prior collection on OpenSea, so I think that this will do very well. I definitely recommend to keep this on your radar. So the third project I want to be going over is Dreamy. They recently have partnered with OX Studio, and these are the masterminds behind Lonely Pop, OX OG Pass, and Three Landers. And as you see, these 3 projects have had tremendous success. Lonely Pop has not launched yet, but they've had a ton of traction recently. Three Landers is sitting at a 1.6 ETH floor price, and the OX OG Pass is sitting at a 10 ETH floor price as of right now. The artist behind this collection, her name is Ba, and looking at her socials, she has that following. On her Twitter she has 40,000, her YouTube channel she has 55,000 subscribers, and on her Instagram she has 133,000 followers. She also has her own e-com store, and I'm assuming that she's been popping off with the store and most likely has made a ton of sales on there as well. She has also been invited to the 2021 Apple event in Thailand, and she demonstrated drawing on an iPad on the app. I forgot what the name of it was, but she has a notoriety in her home country Thailand, and I definitely think this project will be doing well in the near future. She has also launched multiple different projects on OpenSea, and as you see here, this one is sitting at a 0.3 ETH floor price, this one is sitting at a 0.87 ETH floor price, and this one is sitting at a 0.38 ETH floor price. She also has 2 foundation arts, and as you see here, this one has sold for 0.7, or 3 of them have sold for multiple different prices ranging from 0.6 all the way to an ETH. So she definitely has that traction for NFTs because of her artwork. As you see here, it's very special. It reminds me like Star Catchers, as you see here, and Little Lemons. It has that cartoony vibe to it, and I definitely recommend you guys keep this on your radar. The fourth project I want to be going over is Vivid. Looking at their recent teaser that they dropped on April 20th, you could see that it has 20,000 views and it has tons of engagement on their Twitter. And looking at the artist's socials, you could see that he has 128,000 on Twitter and 101,000 on Instagram. And going onto his website, you could see that he's worked with multiple different people. He's written his own manga, and he's also worked with sneakers, and the company he worked with was Atmos. As you see here, he has his art showcased with the shoes correlating with them. And another thing that caught my eye was he worked with Transformers, and he was able to make a t-shirt for them. His artwork is phenomenal, and I definitely recommend you guys try to get in the Discord and see how to get whitelist. I currently don't know. I just pondered upon this. I heard from, I'm pretty sure it was Champs Discord was very early on this, and Origins. And as you know, Champs, he's done phenomenally well in the space, and Origins as well. If you guys don't know, they have a tool and an alpha pass basically. But like I said, this is very early. The art's phenomenal, and I definitely recommend to keep this on your radar. The fifth project I want to be going over is Gfuel presents Jason 8. This is going to be a 5,000 piece collection, and it is going to be a 0.08 mint. As you know, Gfuel is a huge Web2 company. They basically make energy formulas and energy drinks, and they've partnered with the likes of FaZe Clan. And as you know, FaZe Clan is a huge esports slash brand slash company, and one of the co-owners slash co-founders of FaZe is FaZe Banks. And as you know, FaZe Banks, when he talks about a project, it absolutely moons, and that's basically like the bet that I have with this project, that I'll be able to get whitelist and mint this in hopes that Banks will talk about it on his Instagram, and hoping that it moons. If you don't know, the same thing happened with Wolf Game, with Acrocalypse, with Apes R Us, and other projects as well. But Gfuel is a huge company. I definitely think that they'll have the smart marketing and a smart team behind it. If I'm not mistaken, a co-owner of this project is a Bored Ape holder, and just looking at the website, it's made very well. And the last project I want to be going over is ZVLK. This is going to be a 210 Genesis Pass slash streetwear. I don't know what this really is. I just saw it on my Twitter feed and I decided to follow it. It's a Discord invite only, so it's a locked Discord at the moment, and this is a Twitter page that you can follow for announcements. But like I said, I just came upon this. They have decent engagement, but they only post whitelist spots giveaways. But I follow them, keep Twitter notifications on, see if you can get in the Discord and maybe find out more about this. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're not already following my Twitter, make sure you follow my Twitter to stay up to date with all the latest alpha, and I hope you have a wonderful day.